Begin by welcoming all of our dignitaries on the dais. Please put your hands together and help me welcome Honorable Minister for Tourism, Government of Gujarat, Shri Saurabh Patel. Mr. Kamlesh Patel, Chairman, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat. Shri Vipul Mitra, IAS, Principal Secretary, Tourism, Government of Gujarat. And Mr. Sanjay Kaul, IAS, Commissioner for Tourism and Man for applause. We'd like to present them with a small token of appreciation by presenting them with a floral bouquet. We'll begin with Honorable Minister of Tourism, Mr. Saurabh Patel. Our Chairman, Mr. Kamlesh Patel. A very warm welcome, sir. Shri Vipul Mitra, IAS Principal Secretary, Tourism, Government of Gujarat. And Mr. Sanjay Kaul, IAS Commissioner of Tourism and Managing Director, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat. A warm welcome, sir. A very lovely good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Meghna Kaushik, your host this beautiful morning in Mumbai. And on behalf of Gujarat Tourism, I want to extend a very warm welcome to all of our tourism stakeholders, friends from the media, and ladies and gentlemen. Well, Gujarat has been a state that has been the face of change, of dynamism and development. But not only that, it has also now fast becoming a global tourist destination. And this is all because of the USP that lies in the diversity of its tourism products. Well, to tell you more about that and once again extend a warm welcome to all of you, please help me invite on podium Mr. Sanjay Kaul, IAS Commissioner of Tourism and Managing Director, Government of Gujarat. So please. Thank you so much, sir, for that beautiful insight into the state of festivals. Absolutely it is. Any time of the year, any month you choose, there is a festival going on in Gujarat. It's a riot of colors. It's a beautiful culture that you would love to explore. But before we move any further, making use of this interactive platform, ladies and gentlemen, we've kept a small interaction, a small attraction for all of you. At the end of our show, we would be hosting a small lucky draw. So I would request all of you to please take a moment and drop your visiting cards with us at the reception. We would be giving out gift vouchers and travel packages, complimentary obviously, to 7 lucky winners. So yes, do make use of that opportunity. Now, sir has already introduced you to the festivals, the magical land, which has so much to offer. Next, we will show you some of these advertisements, which I'm sure you've seen on television. They're award-winning, and they feature none other than the Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan. They beautifully capture the essence, the culture, the beauty of Gujarat. So let's take a look at some of these ads for you.
मैं आ पहुंचा हूं अरावली पर्वत की गोद में और मां अंबे के चरणों में यहीं धड़कता है मां अंबे का हृदय जय मां अंबे
Weren't these films absolutely mesmerizing? And you know, when he says, "Run nahi dekha to kuch nahi dekha," it is so true. The white desert, it's found nowhere else in India. And it's a memory that you will all hold true for a long, long time to come. It's a beautiful place. And yes, if I will, it's my privilege to tell you all that this film, these ads have won the Best Tourism Film Award from the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India last year, among many other awards, and it does justice to Khushbu Gujarati. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, to share with you all the success story of Gujarat tourism in the past few years, please help me welcome on the podium Mr. Vipul Mitra, IAS Principal Secretary Tourism, Government of Gujarat. Please put your hands together and help me welcome him.
Good morning, friends. Honorable Minister for Tourism, Gujarat, Shri Saurabh Patel, Chairman TCGL, Shri Kamlesh Patel, Shri Sanjay Kaul, MD TCGL, friends, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you've seen these ads many times, but every time you see them, you again feel like watching, isn't it? So this is the magic of promotion.
Thank you so much, sir. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the ingredients to a successful campaign. A visionary leader, an amazing think tank, a campaign with a mass appeal face to it, some policies and strategies which have been newly introduced, and that's put Gujarat on the global tourist map for all of us. And it's just a few hours drive away from here, not too far. Well, to take this morning forward and also to tell us more about the future path of Gujarat tourism, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on the podium Mr. Kamlesh Patel, Chairman, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited.
प्रदान करता हूं और आप सभी के हृदय में विराजमान परमात्मा को प्रणाम करता हुआ मेरी वाणी को विराम करूंगा.
Thank you so much, sir, for that very short and a sweet speech. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's my absolute honor to invite on the podium Shri Saurabh Patel, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Government of Gujarat. So please do come up and say a few words in the vision of tourism and development of Gujarat in the coming few years. Thank you so much, sir, for those enriching words on vibrant Gujarat. And yes, as sir has mentioned, seeing is believing. I've been to the Run of Kutch earlier this year, and it's a fortunate experience for me. 3 days in a tent city, which is in the middle of nowhere. A white desert, which is just a camel ride away. It's an experience which is unbelievable. So yes, you've got to see it before you can sell it. And to encourage more of you to come to Gujarat, we've taken a small initiative today by doing a lucky draw of 7, not 6, but 7 lucky winners who would be getting complimentary tour packages to different parts of Gujarat. So if I may have the 2 bowls, one which has all the visiting cards from our travel and hoteliers fraternity, and one which has all of the names of our friends from the media. If any one of you who still hasn't dropped their visiting cards with us, please do come forward and do it. Please feel free to come forward and drop your visiting cards before we finally pick out our 7 winners for different complimentary packages. So we have all the visiting cards with us, but yes, people from Gujarat may not get favorable response as a winner this point of time because you've seen most of the places. Let our neighbors in Bombay and Maharashtra see more of Gujarat, right? All right, so I'll request Saurabh sir to please pick up first winner of the day who receives a gift voucher from Gujarat Tourism.
Rajendra Dumma, Classic Travels and Tours.
Congratulations, please come up. You get a complimentary package from Tourism of Gujarat, now from our friends from the media.
Mr. Sachin Murdeshwar, APN News.
Congratulations, please come forward. He also wins himself a tour package from Government of Gujarat, Tourism. And now for our 3rd winner.
Vipul Shah, Amba Travels.
And for our last winner from the travels and the tour operators. Congratulations to all the winners. And yes, we look forward to seeing more of you coming to Gujarat and spending a little time exploring the place. So yes, we've spoken a lot about it. Now, if you have any questions or queries, we'd like for you to interact over lunch later. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, we will not let you go without giving you a glimpse of the culture of Gujarat. So please do take out your cameras and get ready to witness something on a small scale today, which we call the Dandiya Ras, performed during the Navratras. So today we have a very small presentation of Dandiya Ras, which is basically an ode to Lord Krishna, performed to all of you. Please welcome all of our performers with a round of applause. What energy, what fervor. And there were just 8 of them here. Imagine them in thousands on 9 consecutive nights of Navratras. I'm sure it's a sight which is not just going to leave you awestruck, but also going to leave you very happy, because I can see a lot of you smiling right now. So yes, Navratras are around the corner in October. You have to make a visit to Gujarat around that time. If you haven't seen Navratras, you've missed something big. Well, that brings us to the close of our show, ladies and gentlemen. But 40 of our hoteliers and tour operators are here all the way from Gujarat. So please do make use of this interactive platform and interact with them over lunch to know more about the tour packages. And, well, let's get the business started. Thank you so much for taking out time and joining us this occasion here. Thank you so much to our dignitaries on the dais. Media can come forward for the bites. And for all of you who may have any questions, please feel free to interact with our dignitaries over lunch. Thank you so much. Do join us for lunch outside.